college students. Welcome to a brand new video. Today we'll be making Asada Tacos.
So the meat, you can just get it from your local grocery store. We got this packet. It's just beef stir fry. It's already cut and ready to go. You want to preheat your stove at about medium temperature. So you want to just add the meat inside your pan. So after you put the meat in the pan, you want to add some seasoning. So we have this seasoning right here. You want to add enough to cover all the meat. And then you move the meat around just so it can be evenly put in the pan. You let it sit for a while before moving around so the bottom parts can cook. You can see it's cooking, so you just want to turn it over, try to move it around. It's always easier to purchase the packet that's already packed in the grocery store instead of cutting the meat yourself. It's faster, but you do get a little bigger pieces. So I mean, if you want to chop it yourself, you can. It's ready to serve. Now what's next is to heat up some tortillas to go with to actually make the taco. So you want to heat up your tortillas. I'm using these small yellow tortillas. You want to flip the tortillas as they heat up. When your tortillas are all heat up, you want to add your meat on your tortilla. So now that you have added the meat in your tortillas, you can add cilantro, some onion, and some salsa with it. Other than that, you can enjoy your asada tacos. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment suggestions on what you want to see in our channel or what you want to learn how to cook. Thank you.